We were looking at using Desmos to get a scatter plot. Now we're going to look at using Desmos to get a line of best fit. So the first thing we do, we click in the box right below for 2, and I'm just going to show you my keyboard. We press Y, then we had Y1 up here. So if we want all the values in here to be included, we press Y and then 1. It automatically puts the 1 as a subscript. We press the ABC and then this symbol here. We press M, then we go back to 1, 2, 3, then press X, 1, and then plus, go back to ABC and then B. And it gives you the line of best fit. Just gonna close back my keyboard. Tells you what R squared is, and it gives you M and B. So I'm just going to, what you need to write, or the equation you're interested in, is Y equals, instead of M, we'll replace it with 39.82x plus 0.11. What I like with this is, if I don't want to see the line anymore, I just click here, and the previous line that we had, that it drew in as the line of best fit, remains. But we're looking at the M value, which is 39.82, which is what we replace here, and the B value, which is 0.11, the value at the end. And that's how you'd find the equation of the line using Desmos. Now, what I like about this one is, if I want to find what Y is, or what X is when Y equals 0.25, or 0. When Y, or if I want to find X when Y is 25, it draws a line that meets my line of best fit, and I click on it and it tells me X is 0.6249. If I want to find Y when X equals 0.25, or I can touch this line here. It tells me when X is 0.25, Y is 10.7. And I can always click X when I'm finished. That's why I like using this, in that I can find, if I know an X value and I want to find Y, say X is again 0.25, it draws the line in and I can touch a point and find out what Y is. If I want to find Y, if I want to find X when Y is, say, 25, it draws a line from Y is 25 to the graph, and I know that X is 0.6249. And I can click X when I'm done. Again, if I'm saving my graph or sharing my graph, I click here. We can embed, print, copy the link, or export image. I can change the thickness of my lines. I find it easier to change the thickness of my lines when I'm copying it and pasting it, or saving it and pasting it somewhere else. Again, if you want to see it as a rectangle, a large square, and you download the image, and you can import your image in your saved image, or open your picture into Word or your Google Doc file, you just download the image.